call you Felix.
Yes, kita akan nelihat. Yang mana kita ini discuss. I never thought about it. So kurangnya.
Afro nangi
Felix. Kita akan nelihat.
Afro Moneto was a VIP.
Airport.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uncle, here.
I'm mayor of Chicago.
Go ahead.
Whatever you want to say, you can say.
What do they want to know about me?
Okay, who are you?
So
I am PCK Achebe, the voice of hope.
This is my uncle, my mom's brother, my mom's big brother, from Chicago, the mayor of Chicago.
Oh, excuse me.
Guess that's it. Anything else to say?
Nothing. I'm in my compound, my dad's compound, in Umuoji. Yeah, and I'm a Nigerian.
Hey, maybe it's not the blog. Don't spoil the blog.
Alright, yeah, so we just got to my mom's family's compound. So I came here yesterday, and this is my oldest uncle's house, and then this is my grandpa's house. There's a tent in front, and this is the house that my mom grew up in. You can find my mom's. So yeah, we have all the tents here for all the festivities and stuff, and we have a lot of like security and stuff. So all these guys here, these are all our security for the whole rest of the week. So yeah.
Because
Archbishop of Onitsha. Dr. Archbishop of Onitsha.
Mommy? Mommy. Mommy, can I have some tissue? Do you have another cloth? Thank you.
Yeah. Everybody's fish. For here. Yeah, for the place where I go. Then check out this side.
Mommy, let me go outside.
You can just stand there. What?
Yeah, sorry, bro. Yeah, but our family, we wore this uniform. So we did black suit with the fuchsia top inside and a black hat. And then I was like, wasn't sure how I would survive wearing like the black blazer, a tight one that is, in this heat, but it wasn't too bad. If I just stay still and like keep my mind like calm, then I won't be too hot. But I'm hot now because we're outside. The church wasn't as hot as I thought it was going to be, but it's not bad. I just want to get in the car because it has air conditioning.
Are you vlogging?
Mm-hmm. Your house.
Very close.
Hey guys, so we are in Lagos, Nigeria, and my hair, it's been rough with like hair and makeup here. I was trying to do the least so that I wouldn't have to like, you know, suffer, but I have confirmed that I'm not ever coming back to Nigeria with like straight hair. It has to be, if I do like a sew-in or something, I have to do like, so yeah. Doing hair and makeup here is kind of a struggle. But I'm planning on getting my hair braided. So there's a salon downstairs at the lobby of the hotel. So I want to see if they do braids. And then if not, then I'm going to go to see my cousin that lives here, and she will show me where to get my hair braided. But yeah, being in Nigeria with straight hair that's not curled is kind of a struggle, because there was like no time to curl my hair if I wanted to, and even if I did try to curl my hair, it wouldn't have stayed. So next time, Iffy, don't come to Nigeria with straight hair. Get some curled weave or braid up your hair. Lesson learned. But yeah, so today is ponytail day for today, because today we flew back here because we're leaving tomorrow. So I said, okay, now that all the other, you know, festivity stuff is like over, all the other events are over, let me just do ponytail for today and tomorrow. So that's it, folks. Ponytail. But yeah, the Sheraton's nice. Stayed here a couple times before. But yeah. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Toasties. Hey guys. Right now I'm just on the computer and I'm watching my It's Judy Time videos. I've been like having It's Judy Time withdrawals because I haven't watched the vlogs in days, but I'm finally catching up because when I was in the village, I didn't have internet, and I was trying to get internet, and I had like a device that got like Wi-Fi, but it wasn't working. It didn't even start, and it wasn't working, and then it finally started working like today when I was leaving. So I had it only for a couple hours, so I could like text through like WhatsApp like a couple of my friends that been meaning to talk to me, text how I am, and then my sister. And then when we got to, so we flew here, and then when we got to the hotel, they have free Wi-Fi, surprisingly, and which is really nice, because I don't know what really nice hotel you go to in the United States and there's free Wi-Fi everywhere. So I finally have free Wi-Fi, so I can keep messaging Inky and stuff, and then go on YouTube and watch my videos that I've been missing, and editing some videos, starting editing the vlog, because I have a lot of footage, so starting to edit the vlog, reply to my comments on YouTube, and just relax. And I'm like so tired. I'm so tired. And my mom is on the phone in the lobby downstairs talking to who knows who. She hasn't been back up yet, so I've just been here by myself. And today is Saturday, so tomorrow we're on our way back to the US tomorrow night. So, and I'm getting my hair braided tomorrow. So I've been wanting to get my hair braided since I got here, and I never had the chance in the village, which would have been so much cheaper than doing it here in Lagos. But I didn't have the chance to just, you know, find someone and then to sit down and do it, because so much was going on. You guys obviously know so much was going on, so I didn't have the time. So when I got here, this is the first time I have like downtime where like, no, there's no agenda. So, and there's a salon that's attached to the hotel, So I went to the salon and asked them if they braid hair, and they said they do. So I made an appointment for tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to go get my hair braided. I'm going to do the Senegalese twist. Never done those before, so I'm excited to get that done. And the lady said it would take 3 hours. And I didn't have hair, so I had to buy hair off them. And the hair was like, I think like 1,000 naira. Is it 1,000 naira? I think it was 1,000 naira, which is, I don't know how much in dollars. I'll flash it. And then the lady said, how much to do my hair? Let me see. Held up 6 times. Okay, she said 5,000 naira to braid my hair. And 5,000 naira, and that's expensive to braid your hair here, compared to like the village and stuff. So 5,000 naira, and the exchange rate is like lower here than the village. So like $1 in the village is 166. I think they said what? I think it's 166 or 160. 160. So for $1 you get 160 naira. Now here in Lagos, it was $1 is 155 naira. So you get about like 5 to 10 naira, because the places is 166. So 5 to 10 naira less than the village. And also the exchange rate here is lower than what it's supposed to be, or maybe it's just like an average. Cause like my Android phone, it tells me, like, I don't even know, these phones are so crazy because it knows too much. So like when I got to Lagos and I turned my phone on and I put my Wi-Fi on, it told me, like, it knew I was in Nigeria, knew the time, the weather, all the locations where like the hotel we're at, and then it flashed the exchange rate, and it says it's 162 naira to $1. So I think it like averaged out, you know, all the different locations in Nigeria. So, but yeah, 5,000 naira, and that's about, let me see, $32 to do my Senegalese twist. In the village, it would have been so much cheaper. Okay. I'm so tired. So tired. Right now it's almost midnight here in Nigeria, and that would make it it's almost 7 o'clock in the US. So I'm going to end the vlog here for tonight. My mom isn't even back yet, and I'm too tired to go downstairs to find her. And yeah, so my mom has, like, when we got here, we didn't our suitcases are locked with locks, and we didn't open them when we got here because we were doing things as soon as we got here. And my mom is still in the lobby on the phone, and she has the key in her purse to open the suitcases. And I'm too tired to go back downstairs, and I need to open my suitcase so I can get my PJs. I don't want to wait. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I guess when I'm braiding my hair. Yeah. So, bye. Hello, people. So today is the last day of Nigerian adventure. This trip. I don't want to leave because I miss Nigeria so much, but all good things must come to an end sometimes. Until next time, Nigeria.
Is it going down?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to call them. I'll call you. Bye-bye.
Mommy, catch it. Press down.
No, it's not.
Oh, that one's going down. Anyways, we're checking out of our hotel on the way to the airport. It's not even close to time for our flight, but our flight's at 11 p.m. But we gotta check out of the hotel. Splashy elevator. Vlogging when someone comes in. Nobody came. Oh yeah, I got my hair done. Got my hair braided. A Senegalese twist. Mommy's jealous. Yeah. View of the Sheraton. It's really nice. Very fancy. And there's like a bunch of seating areas over there, and then a bar, restaurants, stores. And this is at the other side. So yeah. But we're looking for a cat. Oh, look at this store. I don't know if they'll won't let me film this, but yeah. They got fancy watches. No Rolexes though. Just kidding. Traffic.